When I reach 1,000 people yet, but you ever go straight to it, see me? Karrot on the Instagram live and you know the vibe, what go on. Manners and respect to everybody, you see me? You can see who in our place. Black. One go ask your mama that. Not change. Yeah, black. Well, Sting I go. Sting sell off, man. Make sure someone dead. But as far as me, no man don't know if, when, or how Karrot come. So me want it, you see me? Nah, man. Karrot not depend that. We don't kill no career. We are come non-lethal. We are come strapped with a taser and mace. As soon as they leap out, I just psst, and you see them drop and do the electric boogie in our place. Trust me. Yo, Stampede, what go on, bro? Yo, we need for link. DM me. The man they have the streets pan lock. You see me? Yo, Skeng, me get your message, you know. But Karrot not scary. Me will call up any boy name. I just music, bro. You don't want to see cartoon badness. As a matter of fact, people don't tag the whole of them. Intense, Joshy, Silk Bass, Skillibang. Tag the whole of them. Yeah. Tell them say hot fire over here, so anyone of them bad come call it. And if them want go live, me with it. Yo, the trash a pile up in here. Yo, me dash out some garbage real quick. You first, come here, don't run. Black. Yeah, you. Black. Yeah. You to black. You black. 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 Yeah. You too. Face in a blood. Yo. Bro, ask him about that for my next live. Black. Or maybe not. How I still have the one out excited. I want to come off it though. So me drag out people. I don't tell you no say no for tag them, you know. So any one of them want drama. Pull up. Yo, soup done. Supposed to done I'm gonna be next Thursday, you know. So make sure you say I have some red pea soup ready for me. Yeah. You are black. Yo, my people. You see next live. I want the whole on to tune in, cause I'm gonna share some things, you know. I'm gonna keep it real, you see me? I'm gonna show you really what I go on with just the fun. And why make my movie not come out yet. I'm gonna keep it real, I'm not hold back nothing, you see me? I'm gonna show you say it's not pretty. Cause me and Ched kick off in a major way. And I show you say if arms out never jump like Miguel, it did out to get physical. But I don't want to go into too much details on the live here. I just want to focus on Sting right now, you see me? I go see if I'm going to upload this. What do you think about Silk Bass' new song? Yo, I pray I go batter the whole of them boy up on Sting. You come ask me about Silk Bass' new song. Come back here, what your name? You see the pre_, bro. Hold on, I feel like said, a matter of fact, I know say you this Silk Bass I ask about if me hear you do tune. Yo, people, Silk Bass up on my life on a fake page name. You see pre_, bro. Hey, yo, Silk Bass, log on for your real page or I'll block you. And a matter of fact, you bad. Go live. Take man for fool. See him just log on for the real page. Go live if you're bad. Go live. As a matter of fact, see there. Just when they come here. Any your bad, accept my life. Your Silk Bass, my block you. 1, 2, 3.
That's ain't free.
Bro, I preach several things. Money, and more money. So I don't know what you talk about. Which pray you are pray?
That's ain't free.
Come like say you feel away about what I say. And happy you come and up out now. Bro, I know that's something you want to see, you know. Sting want to see you leap out, man. Yeah.
That's ain't free. So.
Yo, what? You're a troll. A clout there, look over here, so, bro. Come like say you stuck pan pre, but Karrot the pan go time. So I say, before me block you, like come and block them two idiots here. Watch this. Watch man them a run. I see me, I'm gonna make you run off a sting. Come here. Blocked. Blocked. Yeah, just like that. So talk your talk, I'm out for cut you.
Bro, I don't like nobody right now, man. Nobody not like it. I don't even like myself again, man. I tell you, man.
Well, at the end of the day, bro, if you feed yourself, clothe yourself, and take care of yourself, and when you face me past thing, yourself can't help you. Well, I won't love myself neither.
Bro, anytime still get corrupt, you know. Anytime still back get corrupt, you hear me? Anytime me get corrupt, just know, you know when I'm going to
Yo, hold on there, bro. I don't love that pitch there, you know. Kinda sound half key. Oh yeah, see, a sting you're dealing, right?
Yeah.
Well, alright. I'm kinda confused a little bit a while ago, because I think the badness you bring to me in a real life. Because cartoon badness a different badness, bro. If you don't believe me, go and go watch Eckler and Jekyll and Roadrunner. And you will see you don't want them kind of smoke there. No kind of way. So I respect say you want to keep your music, bro. And run the risk there. Which is a better risk for you, even though it's just as deadly. You see, pray.
No risk, no reward. The higher the risk, the greater the reward. You see, free.
At your mouth I say, but your face I say stressed and tired. Come like say you don't get a good night's sleep since me call you
You
name.
don't affect me no way at all, because me not lose one night sleep. You see, free. Anywhere you want put it. You see, free. I don't care.
Tough talk. Well, here what? Any me and you buck up and sting, that means my idea go park up on the land. So you see after me done ring out your blowout, get some other. I'll take you and clean off my car. Yeah, pause.
I don't care.
Well, alright, suit yourself, cause me don't really know why you're dealing in the car. Me don't know who you really want to face pan sting, but me can show you say, Karrot and not it. This is not what you want. So me don't know which one of them man they you really want to deal with. Oh.
Anybody. Me not tell you that. Me not care. I don't care.
Well, alright, whippersnapper. It's all I want you do. See? I want you link up the rest of them. Joshy, Skeng, Intense, whoever. Just link up everybody. I want to draw a straw for switch one out of food man yam first. Which one I wanna go up out fraggly first. Uncle forget wheel out pound the back with the four them stretch out like bullfrog. Get with them, bro. I wanna go and decide upon things that are nature there. You see, pray?
Bro.
Done with you. For now. No more talking. Yo, my people, me out to run some paint now. But make sure so you tune in for the next live, because I done showing you, so I'm going to show you the full. What I go on there just for fun of them things, that's what I say. So, you talk to you a little more, see? Out.